Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about how to start an LLC with Northwest Registered Agent. If you're thinking about starting a business and you want the protection and the flexibility that comes with an LLC, then this video is perfect for you. I'll walk you through everything step by step so that you can get your LLC up and running quickly and easily. Let's start with the basics. An LLC, or limited liability company, is one of the most popular business structures for small business owners and entrepreneurs. There are several key reasons for this. First, an LLC provides personal liability protection, which means that your personal assets like your home, car, and savings are typically protected if your business faces lawsuits or debt. Second, LLCs offer tax flexibility. You can choose how you want your business to be taxed, whether that's as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or even as a corporation in some cases. Another major benefit is less paperwork and fewer compliance requirements compared to corporations. LLCs are generally simpler to maintain while still giving you that professional business structure. Plus, having an LLC can boost your credibility with customers, vendors, and partners. When they see that LLC at the end of your business name, it signals that you're serious about what you do and your business. Now, let's talk about how to actually form your LLC. There are 5 main steps to forming an LLC in any state. First, you need to choose a name for your LLC. This name typically needs to include limited liability company, LLC, or a similar designation. You'll also need to make sure the name isn't already taken by another business in your state. Second, you need to designate a registered agent. This is a person or company that accepts legal documents on behalf of your business. Your registered agent needs to have a physical address in the state where your LLC is formed and be available during business hours. Third, you'll need to file your articles of organization, sometimes called a certificate of formation, with your state. This is the document that officially creates your LLC. Fourth, you should create an operating agreement, which outlines how your LLC will be run. And fifth, you'll need to obtain an EIN, or Employer Identification Number, from the IRS if you plan to hire employees or open up a business bank account. Now, this might sound like a lot of work, but there's actually a much easier way to handle all of this. I personally recommend using something like Northwest Registered Agent to form your LLC. I've used them for my own businesses, and they make the whole process incredibly simple. They handle all the paperwork, provide registered agent services, and offer excellent customer support. Let me actually walk you through exactly how to use Northwest to form your LLC. First, click on the exclusive discount link in the description below. This will take you directly to Northwest's website where you can get started with your LLC formation. Once you're there, click on the button to get started. You'll be asked what type of business you're starting and in what state. Select LLC from the drop-down menu and then choose the state where you want to form your LLC. Different states have different fees and requirements, so choose the one that makes the most sense for your business. Next, you'll need to name your company. Remember, your name needs to include LLC or a similar designation, and it can't be identical to another business in your state. Northwest will actually check if your desired name is available, which is going to be really helpful and save you some time. After that, you'll specify the purpose of your business, and this can be any general thing like any lawful business purpose or something like that. You can also be more specific about what your business does here. Then you'll provide your business address. And this is going to be where Northwest really shines because they'll let you use their address instead of your personal one, which is going to keep your information private. Then you'll enter the members of the LLC, and that's going to be you and any business partners that you might have. You'll also provide the contact information so that Northwest can reach you if needed. And at this point, you can select any additional services that you might want, like getting an EIN or setting up a trademark. And Northwest offers these services for an additional fee, but they are completely optional. Finally, you'll submit your payment, and Northwest will handle all the rest for you. They'll prepare all the necessary documents, file them with the state, and keep you updated throughout the entire process. The whole sign-up process takes only 3 to 5 minutes to complete, and that's exactly why I recommend Northwest to everybody that I know because it makes starting your LLC super easy. Once your LLC is formed, Northwest will serve as your registered agent, accepting legal documents on behalf of your business. They'll also scan and upload any documents that they receive for you so that you can access them online at any time. And if you ever have any questions, their customer support team is incredibly helpful and knowledgeable. One thing I really do appreciate about Northwest is their transparency because they don't hit you with a bunch of hidden fees or try to upsell you on a bunch of services that you don't need. Their pricing is very straightforward and they're committed to protecting your privacy. After your LLC is formed, there are actually a few more things that you're going to want to do. First, open up a business bank account to keep your personal and business finances separate. This is crucial for maintaining your liability protection. You might also need to obtain business licenses or permits depending on your industry and location. And don't forget to set up a bookkeeping system to track your income and expenses. So that's it. Starting an LLC with Northwest Registered Agent is quick, easy, and affordable. If you have any questions about forming an LLC or using Northwest, drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more business tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.